Kasi yung kina Paul, hourly job. Yung in-applyan ko, fixed job. Yung kina Daryl. So, that is, ano lang, within 2 weeks, dapat matapos ko yung trabaho. 600 directory submission yun. 600 websites. Yun. Tapos, ang budget is $40. Yeah, $40. Kasi naisip ko, parang, di ba, mabilis ako magtrabaho. So, kung fixed job yung applyan ko, at matatapos ko yun, ng wala pang, halimbawa, 2 weeks, halimbawa, in 1 day, matapos ko yung 600 directory, edi, in just 1 day, naka-earn ako ng $40. So, hindi ako lugi. Unlike pag hourly, di ba, kay Paul. So, yun, nag-apply ako. And then, nag-reply siya. Sabi niya, how can you guarantee that you can do the work if you have, lots of jobs in Odesk? Kasi doon sa profile ko, nakikita kasi yung profile ng provider kung ilan ang jobs, 4 yata o 3. Sabi ko, no, that's not active. Sabi ko ganun. Bago pa ako mag-reply, nakita ko yung job na pinost nila. Close na. Meron na silang napiling iba. Sabi ko, pero nag-reply pa rin ako. Sabi ko, I can guarantee you that I can do the work because the job in my profile is we're not active. Isa lang yung active doon. Tapos naghihintay pa ako. Yun nga yung kay Avril. Yun lang yung active. Pero as of the moment, walang active talaga kasi wala akong trabaho kay Avril. So sinabi ko yun. Sabi ko, but why did you message me if afterwards you're going to dump me? Kasi nga, yun nga, close na yung application nila. Sinabi ko yun. Tapos sabi ko, anyway, thanks. Because it made me think and act to end my other assignments that's inactive. Yun. So, ang ginawa ko, after nung masend ko yung message na yun, kinausap ko yung mga employer ko na inactive job kasi lagi namang online yung iba dun. Katulad ni yung isa, nakalimutan ko pangalan nun. Basta sabi ko, can I end my assignment? Sure. Sabi ko, you'll give me good feedback, okay? Sabi niya, sure. And you will give me 2, alright? Okay, I will. Okay, yun na. So, in-end ko na. So, ilan na lang ang active ko. So, 2 na lang. Yung isa, sinabihan ko niya rin yung client ko. Sabi ko, can I end my assignment kasi it's been inactive for 1 month already. And then, sabi ko, I'm going to end that after you approve it. And hindi pa nag-reply. So, it's still active in my profile. Pero inactive na talaga yun. Hindi na yung gumagana. So, yun. Tsaka tapos nag-reply ulit itong si Daryl. And sabi niya,